Have you ever watched a really old movie and wondered, where did this even come from? How did it survive all these years? Well, that's exactly the kind of mystery we're diving into today with a special look at what we call the storyteller's compass. Think of it as the ultimate treasure map for film lovers. These aren't just reviews. They're like secret notes from a film archivist, guiding you through the incredible journey of how movies survive, where they live today, and what condition they're in. First up, let's talk about where to find these cinematic gems. Many early films aren't just waiting on a streaming service. They're scattered across the globe in public archives, private collections, and university vaults. The compass points you to places like the Library of Congress or the UCLA Film and Television Archive. It also highlights boutique DVD labels that specialize in tracking down and releasing rare films. This way, you know exactly where to look to legally and ethically watch these pieces of history. It's about connecting you directly to the source. Now, why do some old films look crystal clear while others are grainy, fuzzy, or even missing scenes? This is where the compass gets really interesting. It details the film's condition. You'll learn if what you're watching is a pristine 35mm print or a soft, duplicated 16mm version made for TV back in the day. Sometimes, all that's left are partial reels or silent fragments of a once complete movie. Understanding this helps you appreciate the film for what it is, a survivor. It's not a bad transfer. It's a miracle it exists at all. These notes give you the context to see the beauty and the imperfections. This section of the compass is like a detective's journal, tracking films believed to be lost, those that have been partially found, and even rumors of prints hidden away in private collections. It also shines a light on films that are just waiting for the funding to be restored. For anyone who loves a good mystery, this is it. It turns you from a passive viewer into an active explorer, hoping for the next great rediscovery. So, you're ready to add a classic to your collection, but which version should you get? Not all releases are created equal. The compass acts as your trusted guide, highlighting the best quality DVD or Blu-ray restorations. It'll point you toward editions that have expert commentary tracks or were sourced directly from the original camera negatives. This is crucial for collectors. It helps you avoid wasting money on poor quality transfers and ensures you get the best possible viewing experience. Think of it as having an expert friend whispering in your ear. Get this one, not that one. But why do some films survive while others are lost to time? The story behind film preservation is just as dramatic as any movie plot. We're talking about fragile nitrate film decomposing, devastating studio vault fires that wiped out entire libraries of movies, and complicated rights issues. The compass explains this historical context. It also reveals how something as simple as TV syndication in the 50s and 60s actually saved thousands of films from being forgotten forever. It's the behind-the-scenes story of cinema's fight for survival. And of course, we have to talk about the weird and wonderful side of film history. The compass is filled with archival curiosities. You'll discover films that were re-released under completely different titles to trick audiences, regional edits made for specific local theaters, and even cases of misidentified actors in the original credits. My favorite stories are about the films that only exist today because a dedicated fan saved a single print from being thrown away. These are the little gems that make film history feel so alive and personal. Ultimately, this is why the storyteller's compass matters so much. If you're watching this, you love stories. And film preservation is storytelling in its purest form. It's the heroic act of rescuing voices, performances, and entire worlds that would have otherwise vanished forever. These notes help you appreciate not just the film itself, but the incredible, often perilous journey that brought it to your screen. It is a celebration of the art and the army of people who work to keep it alive. Thanks so much for exploring this with me today. If you love deep dives into film history, make sure you hit that subscribe button. We've got plenty more treasures to uncover together. See you in the next video.